Hi guys, welcome to Comfort Life channel. I am so happy to see you here today. In this video, I'm excited to share with you the recipe for the foaming face wash for sensitive and aging skin, and actually it will also be good for even acne prone and oily skin. So the recipe is extremely simple, contains only a few ingredients. Don't forget to subscribe to Comfort Life channel so you're always up to date with all the DIY recipes I'm making and also great healthy tips. I should mention almond oil and vitamin E, of course, because they will work together in our recipe to protect and nourish dry or mature skin that needs extra moisturizing. This face wash could be used for sensitive skin with great results. It will be very gentle. It is also great for oily skin, as I've said, because sometimes instead of almond oil, we could use jojoba oil or any other oils with the rating 0 in a comedogenic list. I will put them in the description bar down below this video. So let's start by preparing our recipe. For the recipe, of course, we should need a foaming dispenser. Well, that is actually the trick here because it will allow us to use very little soap. That's the magic of the foaming dispensers. You could get them in almost any store and of course any online store that carries essential oils. So I will just start by mixing everything in the glass container, in the glass cup here, and then I will transfer everything in the foaming dispenser. So let's start with the water. It has to be distilled water and we shall need it in the amount of 3/4 of a cup. The next ingredient would be Castile soap. Castile soap I am using, and I suggest to use something unsensed, and this is actually baby pure Castile soap. So it's very important so there is no essential oils in there because we are going to add some, but they are here for the purpose. So nothing that has tea tree oil in it, for example. We don't want that. So we should need to add Castile soap in the amount of 2.5 tablespoons. So let me, oops. So 1, 2.5, like that. Now the next ingredient we're going to use is going to be vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is also going to act as a preservative in our recipe here, and we shall need it in the amount of 1 teaspoon. So let me just, it's a thick oil, like that. And now we are going to add sweet almond oil in the amount of just 1/2 teaspoon. I'm going to use the same teaspoon and just make it half. Just like that. So as far as the ingredients, except for the essential oils, this is it. What I'm going to do is mix everything up and I will transfer it into the dispenser. I always add essential oils directly in there. So let's do this. It's handy to use a measuring cup because it's easy to transfer the liquid. Okay, so now I am going to add the essential oils. We're using frankincense essential oil and geranium essential oil. Well, they're both great for mature skin. They're great for replenishing your skin, nourishing it. It's very gentle. They improve the overall complexion look. Actually, geranium is also good for oil-prone skin. And we shall need both just in the amount of 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And geranium. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm using the oils from Plant Therapy, but you could use the oils from any other company that you trust. And we shall just close it. And it comes out to a little more than 3/4 of a cup. And this is really going to be enough for a long time. But believe it or not, you can even use it for your body, to shave your body with it. Look how great and foamy it is. I also need to mention that don't be afraid, it is very effective to wash away makeup and dirt, but it will also make your skin very soft, and not to mention that it smells really, really great. So it's extremely gentle, very effective, and I think you will definitely benefit. Besides, another tip, if you want a little exfoliation for your face, you could actually put a little bit of the cleanser here and add maybe the sugar if you're using it for your body, or a little bit of baking soda, like half a teaspoon, and use it as a great face wash plus exfoliator. I really hope you guys like this video. Please put the thumbs up. If you want to support me, your attention is so great. I really appreciate it a lot. I wish you guys all the best. I wish you to be successful in your DIY journey, preparing great recipes for your skin. Please let me know how you like this recipe, and your feedback is also great to hear. All the best, and I'll see you in my next video.